this is an opportunity to present what we are going to teach, to discuss among ourselves, to get feedback, and finally come up with the revised syllabus.
Expanded on the personalization of politics, looking at political identity with social media. He's a political scientist from the University of Washington, where I got my PhD.
Different aspects of linguistics such as phonetics and phonology. I'm going to add another article here by Bharat Japansa, because the PhD he has done is English identity in Nepali identity in Nepali. So that his article also I'm going to make it. So
चलचित्र नाटक तथा पुरातात्विक ऐतिहासिक महत्त्वका स्थल.
In the previous years, we'll understand what kind of changes have made, and I'll summarize that also. So this is a theory-heavy course.
This semester, we're trying to expand on political science, economics, and social psychology and development studies.
There's 2 weeks as divided in for audio broadcasting and video broadcasting.
Certain kind of knowledge regarding this. So for this, like technique of collecting data into the qualitative research is like in-depth interview, focus group discussion, participatory observations, ethnographic observations, and
the second will be advertising agency business, pure business management. How advertising agency functions, what are the departments involved, how do they actually charge or bill the client companies. That's one of the major issues while working in advertising agencies.
This like on this AI it's a great imaginary these days, you know, and then you cannot evade it, and then and it's also like a taboo. If I come and say I use AI, then your reaction would be, oh, a professor uses AI. So
to do a combination of something that's very philosophical, that starts to question all these things, but also something that's very practical, and merging those 2 things together.